All right, let's play a little trivia. So, what is the most popular accent wall design ever since accent walls became popular? Yep, that's it. You guessed it. Polygonal. You probably didn't know that name, but you see it everywhere. As soon as you type accent wall into the search engine, this design pops up. So, I'm actually going to build this design today for a client on live so that you can actually see the process. What takes hours, you'll see it in, a couple minutes. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. Thank you for rocking with me this far. Make sure that you go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe. And share this video. But definitely leave a comment, because I love reading you guys' comments, good or bad. It helps me improve, helps me to know what I'm doing that's working and what I'm doing that's just boring the life out of you. So, all right, let's get to it. All right, so this is the wall that we will be working on today. So first, I always start by verifying my measurements, which is what you just saw me doing. So my original measurement was 159.25, which is what I got up there. So that means we're good to go. We can go ahead and cut this top piece and this bottom piece. So next, I'm going to mark the studs using stud buddies and tape, just so that I can make sure, because there's a bathroom on the other side of this wall, and I really don't want to hit any plumbing. See what I mean? Even without them being digital, these are some of the fastest stud finders you would ever find on the market. And they're only like $9 a piece. And look at this. Whole room marked. Can't beat them. I love them. All right, so you guys see that now the frame is built. So now it's time to start working on these little, oh, these pop up. I'm out of breath. It's been one of them mornings. I gotta start working on the inner parts of the design. So what I like to do is start with the longest piece in the design and build off of that piece. So we'll do this one, and maybe we'll do this one and this one, and that then separates the design into 1, 2, 3 areas to work with. So, all right. I know y'all just saw my iPad fall off the platform. But guess what? I'm not really worried. Yes, this is a commercial break because I use rock form cases for both my phone and iPad. And when I tell you, I'm the clumsiest person you will ever meet. I'm forever dropping this phone, forever dropping this iPad. Not a single scratch, crack, scrape on it. You know how much I trust it? All right, so what I'm about to do is a little unconventional. Normally, I would build the entire design and then I would wood fill and add caulk. But this time, because of the walls a little higher on this side than this side, I'm gonna go ahead and add my Bondo or wood filler, still decide which one I want to use, into the cracks because they're a little bigger, and that way it can have time to settle and dry properly, and then I can add another coat before I leave so that tomorrow when I come in, I can go ahead and sand and paint and everything flows smoother. Current progress. I'm gonna step out and grab a few more pieces because when I was transporting them to here this morning, the wind took a few of them and snapped them into a billion pieces, and I was not able to recover. So I just need to get the pieces that I need to finish this side. I'm back. All right, let's get to it. Let's finish building this. Guys, the build is finished. As you can see, I just gotta go and Bondo the new spots, the new joints. But yeah, that's the design. Y'all already know what time it is. Caulk time. All right, so what you saw me sanding with was the 40 grit. So I took down all of that Bondo with a 40 grit pad, and now I'm about to put a 1200 grit pad on the sander, and I'm gonna go over everything to give it a nice smooth finish. up paint everywhere. Such is the life of a painter, which is really what accent wall installers are. We are fancy painters. But yeah, sorry guys, I had to cut out for a little bit of the video. I wasn't really explaining or talking to you guys much because, of course, I am a father, as you've seen my kids in a lot of my videos. So time started to get short, and I had to run to go pick them up from school. But I was able to get the wall painted before I left, hence the paint all over me. And I'll show you guys that right now. All right, guys. Paint is still drying, but there you have it.